We wanted to solve a problem in the society where caterers are looking for people to refer jobs to them, and people having different events are looking for caterers. Olokpo App is the app that would have all the caterers pan Nigeria, all the 36 states of Nigeria. In Kenya and in Ghana, it's an app that would have all the quality caterers. Restaurants that does outdoor catering, hotels that does outdoor catering. Just come on the Olokpo app and register with us, download it, sign up, and we have all of your information. This is the time that you should be having jobs. Your phone will just be clicking, beeping, ringing, and as it's doing all of that because you're registered with Olokpo app. You select the customers. You can actually tell them that, oh, I'm already booked for events, this whole week we are not available. The app has that feature for you to say, I'm not available, so that the clients can actually look for an available caterer so that you don't disappoint them for their event. Go to the Play Store, go to the Apple Store, download the Olokpo app. The Olokpo app is here to get you jobs. Just go to the Play Store. We are actually in our value stage of the campaign. We are searching for caterer partners for our Olokpo app. Wherever you are, it doesn't matter your vicinity. If you live in Kaduna, Owerri, Lagos, in fact, the 36th state of Nigeria, Olokpo app has come to change the game. It's a game changer. Go to Olokpo app, folks. Olokpo. Olokpo. Olokpo.